Hello and welcome back. I'm Sarah for Sarah's Sparkle Yarns. Today I'm filming in my closet and there's a reason why. It's because it's about to get dark in here. For good reason. Because we're going to check out what some of the dyed fiber and yarn that I have. We're going to see what it looks like under a black light or ultraviolet lights. Yeah! Come check it out, everybody! So we're gonna try not to get distracted by all the cool yarn in here, but here we go. So these here are dyed just nylon. That up there is nylon, but it's the faux cashmere. I've got all this from Paradise Fibers, and this is Red Heart, the Super Saver Bright Stripes, and then this is my new spindle. We're gonna see some cool stuff here, so give a second. Alright, it's dark as heck in here. And got my flashlight of ultraviolet. Okay, so if you remember all, I had these in rainbow order color. So that is purple, blue, one the other. Oh, why does that look strange? Anyway, green lights up like anything. Yellow doesn't do much. Orange and pink. So, of my dyes for fiber, I really only have two that actually really show up. So that's really good to know. As you can see, the blue doesn't really do anything. It's that pink that's super vibrant. Yellow doesn't really do much either. My spindle's cool. And the bright stripes really show up. But then check out this. See if we can see. It glows in the dark. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, these just look so cool. So it's the green and the pink that are really vibrant. The other colors, they don't really fluoresce under ultraviolet as much. So that's really good to know, because I use Jacquard, and I think this is a spring or Kelly green, and this is the hot fuchsia. So the Jacquard's acidized of the hot fuchsia look super good. The rest of them, turquoise, teal. I don't have any teal dyed right now in front of me. The bright yellow, deep orange, they don't really do anything, and violet doesn't really do too much. No, it does look pretty cool. Oops, sorry. So violet does look pretty cool. But so these will all look really good under a black light. So keep that in mind for any cool place, like maybe around Halloween or raves or anything, or even like blacklight skating, you know, the fun stuff. So yeah. And again, in regular lighting, just so that you can see, this is the violet, that's blue, green, yellow, orange, and pink. You know, for as light as this pink is, it's so vibrant. And then this is the spindle that I just got for my birthday. It's from Turtle Made. It's one of the bottom roll, big one. It's pretty heavy. This one was a past one. See, if I remember right, I asked them for a custom one that was much lighter, so you can kind of see how different they are in size. But yeah, I like it. So yeah, that is some of my rainbow fiber that I still have yet to blend together. And what I'm going to do is I have some of this gray that I blended sparkle into, as you can see. And I have some more that I need to continue blending. And I'm gonna make a rainbow bat, and I have somewhere, as soon as I find it, some scrap yarns that I reclaimed and they have some hollow sparkle, and they're gonna look cool. So I'm going to try to get that into more of a cloudy fiber form, and then it's gonna look really cool. Check it out at the end of this video, and check out the bat that I made. And I'm still working on that surprise cool project thing. I think it's gonna be awesome. I really haven't seen anybody do this before, so stay tuned. It's gonna happen at some point. I just need to get my materials together and find out some things. So, as always, make something sparkle today, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, it's Sarah back again, and I just wanted to say a few things. So my spindle from Turtle Made, I'm not sponsored. It's something that I bought for myself with my own money. And so instead of one bat that you're seeing, I ended up blending up 4 separate different ones in different styles because, well, my blending board can only fit about a little over maybe 1 ounce on it at a time, and I probably got quite a bit of fiber here. So I decided to blend up 4 different ones in different varieties. I think this one here I blended in rainbow order. The next one is kind of a little scattered, and then the 2 after that is a little bit of color reblended, and then the last one I used the rest of everything because I want to get my fiber all nice and blended and used up and spun so that I feel accomplished. So yes, I also received some happy fiber mail in the mailbox today as a surprise. I didn't think I would get it this soon, but that means I can totally start to go ahead on my secret project I've been thinking and wanting to work on. So I'm excited for that and everything. And with all that said, I am going to see you guys in the next video. So make something sparkle today. And bye.